Aircraft Finishing, Video 10, Society of British Aircraft Construction, Universal Primers, Seagoing Aircraft, Dope, the Ford 4 Cup, Walking Finish. Society of British Aircraft Construction, Sobac. Type and colour properties. UP1, grey, supplied for use by spray or brush, thinned with MDL. UP2, grey, suitable for use in small-sized dip tanks. UP7, grey, used where there is a large volume tank. UP4, yellow, contains high % of zinc chromate used for protection of magnesium to spec DTD 911, thinned with Sobac thinners for UP4. UP8, grey, can be stoved. UP9, pale yellow, can be used under light finishing colours except white, thin as for UP1. DTD 517, synthetic resin pigmented oil varnish used by manufacturers not yet released to the services. Dries harder and quicker than S314, used only in conjunction with primer 517. For seagoing aircraft, the difference between 517 and 314 is that 517 is S resin, 314 is natural resin. Dope resisting white BSS 3X4. This white prevents the dope on the fabric from pulling the paint off the wooden structure on metal and so preventing corrosion. It acts as an isolator. Red dope, clear dope, aluminium dope, only 3 tautening dopes. The Ford 4 Cup. Standard measure used in Britain for measuring paint viscosities. The paint drips through here. Fill this cup with paint, pour it in here. The paint must be kept at correct temperature for 24 hours. Viscosity is the term used by manufacturers to denote correct thinning, spoken of in terms of seconds at percentage temperature, i.e. 9 seconds at 75° Fahrenheit. Paint should stand in testing room at least 24 hours before testing. Clean apparatus after use. Walking finish is usually composed of cork or rubber mat stuck on with Bostik cement. Apply 1 coat Bostik on main plane. Apply 1 coat Bostik on rubber mat. Allow both to get tacky, 30 minutes. Place into position and apply pressure, with roller if possible. If material not available for walkway, apply cellulose and sprinkle sand on it, then apply camouflage all over. Docker's adhesive for sticking fabric to metal. 1464 gives all gen on Fabric Repairs Volume 2 Part 3, Maintenance of Spray Equipment, Metal, etc. Engineer's Manual, Aeroplane Handbook Volume 1 Part 1 for particulars of aircraft, i.e. what kind of materials are used on the aircraft. NB. All metal work except magnesium alloys are deoxidized to remove wax and surplus paint remover. Also gives an etched surface. To remove paint remover and wax from magnesium alloys, use thinners MDL. Thank you for watching. The next video in the series is Aircraft Finishing, Video 11, Propellers, Emergency Repairs, Wood, Aluminium, Hollow, Steel, Magnesium Alloy, Covers, Rayoid or Rotalloid, Swartz, Jablo, Christophane Finishes, Weybridge Prop, Propeller Identifications.